Today I'm going to show you guys 5 different ways you can make money online as a graphic designer without freelancing. What is up people, welcome back to Satori Graphics, home of graphic design content right here on YouTube. I quickly want to give a big shout out to LMTS Watches who have sent me a watch today to show you guys, and also they're offering you 20% off any purchase on their store. So go ahead and check them out in the link in the description below. So when it comes to making money online as a graphic designer, most people instantly swarm to freelancing. Now I think this can be a really good and lucrative way to make money, but there are many easier and more beneficial ways you can use your graphic design skills to make bank online. There's going to be a whole host of links in the description below in this video relating to ways to make money online as a graphic designer. Now most of the things in today's list are known as passive income when it comes to making money online. With these methods, you simply set up the original content and then you don't have to do anything at all. Now one of the most obvious and easy things to do is to sell your graphics on a t-shirt. One of the most notorious and high quality platforms for doing this is Teespring or Spreadshirt. Many YouTubers use Spreadshirt or Teespring to sell their t-shirts to their viewers and their audience. You simply upload your designs and they do the rest for you, so you're going to get a commission, a kind of percent on each sale. This means that you don't have to worry about any of the printing or any of the shipping or anything like that. You simply upload your designs, promote it on social media, and then you have monthly income depending on how good your designs are and how well you promote it. But a quick disclaimer here, any kind of service that you use to print or sell clothing online as passive income, you need to test out the printing first. So buy a sample or buy an order using your design and then sell it afterwards. Now the second way you can make money as a graphic designer online, which doesn't relate to freelancing, is selling templates. Now again, there's going to be links in the description below for sites to sell templates on, but 2 of the main ones are Inked and Theme Forest. Now you can upload things like business cards or WordPress themes, anything like that. Just use your graphic design skills, upload them onto these websites. It's a really good way to make income, and you don't need to do anything at all apart from promote the products after you've uploaded them. So for any of you budding photographers out there, or people such as myself who just enjoy photography, you can sell your photographs online for a bit of money. Some of the most obvious options here are Fotilia and also Shutterstock. But of course, when you actually sell your photographs on there, you give up the rights for anybody to use your photographs wherever you want. There's one really good tip here that I'm going to offer you guys. When you sell your photographs online, such as Fotilia or Shutterstock, you can put your website or even like a YouTube channel link or something like that in the description of each and every single photograph. This will not only draw traffic to you as a graphic designer, but it's also going to boost the SEO of your website or your YouTube channel. You can also do this with blogs, of course. This next option of how to make money online as a graphic designer that doesn't involve freelancing is something that I'm going to look into in the next month or 2, and that is selling online courses as a graphic designer. The big player in this field is of course Skillshare. Now I'm going to be uploading courses in there soon. They're going to be in-depth tutorials on specific things in graphic design. So for example, a complete masterclass on the pen tool in Adobe Illustrator. All you need to do is upload the course on your account in Skillshare, promote it, and you can make money doing what you do best, which is graphic design. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys would be interested in my in-depth courses on Skillshare. So the last point on today's video on how to make money online as a graphic designer without freelancing is something that I've already done, and that's to design a font and then sell it on font sites or your own website. One of the best font sites to upload a font to is myfonts.com. Now there is a kind of process that you need to go through. They require that you design the font in specific programs, and you need to upload 5 graphics representing your font and how you think it would be used in a graphic design situation. You can also sell your font from your portfolio website, such as I've done myself with Satori Sans. You can check the link in the description below for my font if you want to purchase it for a really reasonable price on my digital download section on my website. So there are 5 ways that you can make money online as a graphic designer without freelancing. I really do think that a lot of you guys can make quite a bit of money through passive income as a graphic designer online. Once you set things up, all you need to do is promote it. Use the skills that you've got to go out there and make money aside from freelancing. Let me know what you guys thought of today's video in the comment section below, and drop a like if you did enjoy it. If you really find my content useful, share it on social media so other people can see it too. And of course, if you haven't done already, go ahead and subscribe to Satori Graphics for weekly graphic design content just like today's video. I'm going to be back soon, so until next time, design your future today. Peace.